Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna show you how to install Cherish OS. And thank you guys who have been supporting me, sending comments and subscribing to me and liking my videos. Thank you all for doing that to me. And those who are not subscribed to my video, that's a lot of people. Please do subscribe, it will help me a lot. So let's go forward. This is my S21. So these steps you can do it for S21, S21 Ultra, S21 Plus and S21 FE. So the steps are the same because it uses the same internals, almost the same internals I would say. So the kernel is the same but it's different. You need to download. It's done by a same person, so he does 4 of the kernels, so help him as well, support him if you can, join him in his group. So if you want to download the kernel, I'm gonna show you how to download it now. So guys, Hari kernel 2.2 is the one kernel you need to flash with all the GSIs for S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra and FE. All these 4 devices have this Hari kernel. Version 2.2 is the latest right now. So if you see closely here, it shows what kernel is for which phone. So it starts with FE starts with R9S. So you have to flash R9S, which is down below here. So you go and find whichever is for you. So these are where you have to download the GSI kernel. And for One UI, if you're trying on One UI, just click on this and then download whichever you need, not all of them. So it tells you which one it is. So 2.0, if you pull it down, you're gonna get for One UI and GSI, and 2.2 is only for GSI. Okay, so just see whichever phone is yours. Just check the first 3 alphabet and number and match it to whichever you want to download it. So these are 3 which are here. So the FE doesn't have the 2.2, but if you scroll down, you're gonna find for FE, which is 2.0, and for Ultra and for S21 and S21 Plus. So just check before you download it. Yeah, don't be confused. So this GSI kernel works with all the 4 devices. So if you are flashing a GSI or One UI, if you use this kernel, it saves battery and gives you a longer standby time. So once you flash it, you will come to know what's the benefit. So I would suggest, if you want to use stock OS, you can flash this kernel on it. It gives a good battery life and good standby time. Okay, so I'll put the link down below, and if you want to support him, just get him a coffee. Go back and you can support him by donating him. So once you download the kernel, which is required, what you have to do is download the GSI. So Cherish OS, which is using the power base 415 version 415. So once you download it, the links will be down below. So download the required files. So these are the files which are required. So if you got these files in your pen drive, just copy them to the pen drive, and Cherish OS should be unzipped. The GSI should be unzipped and put in the pen drive. Once you put it in the pen drive, take your pen drive, connect it to your phone and boot it into recovery. So I'm gonna shut this down or restart, and you need to connect it to the phone, no, then it won't boot. The volume up power button, wait for 10 seconds. As soon as you see this Samsung logo, Samsung Galaxy logo, wait for 10 seconds and then leave. So you are in TWRP. So once you're in TWRP, these are the steps to follow. Go to install, then select your OTG and press OK. Once you select OTG, you won't see the image. So to see the image, just press on image, and then you can see Cherish OS image, and click on the image and put it in the system. Don't click on anything else, just put it in system. Once you put it in system, flash. Once you're done flashing, you have to go back. I'm gonna show you the next step. Go back, install, then install TWRP AIO fix version 2. Then go back again, then install the kernel. So then after doing all this, wipe, format data, and then press yes. If you don't do this steps, it's gonna go into boot loop. If you're still having problems, you go to wipe, add once, and if you see metadata, just wipe it. Just click on that only and just wipe it if you're still having boot loop issues. So once you've done that, you need to boot the system. That's it, how you install Cherish OS. So I'm gonna show you the OS once it's boot up. So if you follow the steps properly, it's gonna boot fine. And those who ask, there's some issue, the telephoto camera doesn't show up. It's still in work in progress. It might show up in some apps. There's an G apps which it shows up in, and here's the boot up screen for Cherish OS. Let me log in. I'll be right back.